as sport and recreational shooters attempt to stockpile firearms during the pandemic. Andrea Crothers reports that new permit applications doubled in the past week.
First, the demand for toilet paper and pantry essentials. Now the rush is on for firearms and ammunition. Victoria's temporary ban on sales and permits to sporting and recreational shooters is effective immediately. Primary producers are accepted, however. The ban is similar to moves last week in Western Australia and Queensland. The issue was also discussed at Monday night's National Cabinet meeting. Concerns heightened with warnings of a potential rise in domestic violence during the pandemic. Firearm permit applications doubled in Victoria to more than 2,200 in the last week alone.
We're stopping the unnecessary storage of firearms and ammunition, and there was no legitimate need for this attempt at stockpiling.
We are concerned by those figures, and we're also concerned about this is an incredibly stressful time for people, and we know that there are pressures around family violence and also around work and people spending a lot of time together.
Meanwhile, Fitzroy Bar has become the first Victorian business to cop a hefty fine for defying rules on last drinks. The bar's company director has been issued with a fine of $9,913 after police caught it operating as normal on Saturday night and serving alcohol to patrons.
When the persons who were running the venue on Saturday night were interviewed about it, they weren't cooperative. They refused to state how long they'd been open, and they refused to state why they'd been open. In effect, a no-comment response, which didn't really help them much because it still gave them a nearly $10,000 fine yesterday.
It's the first fine issued, but police say it won't be the last.